I'm going to be showing you how to make a stop motion video. First, you're going to need a paper and a pencil. I'm going to be spelling out the word happy. You can choose any word of your choice. I'm going to be drawing out the word happy letter by letter instead of line or by little squares or rectangles. Next, I'm going to draw out the A. I also prefer to do bubble letters because it looks better than normal letters and it adds a bit of texture and look to it. Next, I'm going to draw the P. When you do it, you should remember to draw light here because here I made a mistake and I didn't like how the P looked, so I had to erase it. And I made a bit of a smudge because it did not look that great and I had to erase kind of hard, but that's why you need to draw light. I forgot to draw light and then I made that mistake. Now I'm going to remake the P and make it look better and then put in bubble letter. Next, I'm going to draw the other P. I think this P turned out a bit better than the other one, so I didn't have to erase it. Next, I'm going to draw the Y. I think the Y is a bit hard because you have to make sure to do it right, and on that one, you have to make sure to do it the sideways one. I'm going to have my colors yellow because I think it goes well with the word happy. I'm going to arrange my colors in lightest to darkest because that's how I'm going to write it. It is okay if your paper moves like this, like that happened. Now I'm going to color it in, but I think you should beware of that tip that you have it on because if you don't, it will look like you flipped it over when you did it and it's not going to look as good. I think that's just like that little small detail. So now I'm going to take off the cap and I colored it in. You should make sure to put a paper underneath. I forgot to do that step, so it made my table kind of dirty and it bled through the paper. So that's why you need another paper underneath it. Now I'm going to color in the A. But I forgot to do the tapping it part. You do not have to do that. You can just color it in and skip that part. I think it adds a bit longer of it like I did in the beginning. Now I'm going to color the A. You can color it the A or whatever letter you have in fast, slow, or whatever. Again, I'm going to tap it and put it slowly towards it. Now I'm going to color in the P. And then again, you take a picture, or you can go in picture by picture and tap that letter. Now I'm going to color in the P. The colors kind of got a bit mixed up, so it didn't turn out into the different shades of yellow. Now I'm going to do the Y. And there you have it. You're done with the coloring, and again, you can just tap it. I'm going to be using black and yellow because I'm going to make little effects to make it like almost blink. Well, basically what you do, you would take a picture of it and then you would start to make little lines on it. Like just going black, 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 and then all over the thing, basically make it into a circle. And then you would take your yellow marker and do the same thing you did after that. And just go all around in between that black lines until you are done. Then you take another picture. And then you have those two colors that you use, but you should make sure to go copy, pasting those two blank pages until you have the like flickering. Now these are all the colors I used for it, plus the pencil.